Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML style guide. And right now, we'll be discussing about the long line codes. Like, you should try to avoid long code lines. When using an HTML editor, it is not convenient to scroll right and left to read the HTML code. Try to avoid too long code lines. I'm going to show you example. In our code right here, see the way I did everything. You can see everything I wrote inside my p tag, as you can see. But when you do it like this, let's say for instance, we are writing code like this, the other p tag is now inside somewhere else. At your right side, as you can see, you can see the remaining code. Like this p tag now is now at the left side like this. Can you see? We will have to scroll all around before we can find our second p tag. That is a very bad attitude. So one thing you should do is that when you are writing code like this, always do something. Whenever you see space, just do like this, give it one tab, and your code is still going to look neat and look reasonable. As you can see, it's looking nice now, and you can see your p tag, and you can see whatever you wrote inside the p tag. And when you save your document, it's still going to be the same. When we reload our document, can you see? It's still the same. And to the next, Anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great